Hey guys, welcome to Safi Mixed. In this video, I will let you know how to write a Python program in a text editor. Writing a program in a text editor is always advisable because you can make changes to the program, you can save the program, and you can run the program from a text editor and the idle interpreter. So the first thing is to create a text file, and that you can do through two different ways. One from the idle text editor, or you can create the file before opening the text editor. However, I'll let you know about both the way. And the first one, I just click over here and I come to new and I open a text document here, and I give it practice, and the extension I change from txt to py, and then I click enter. This warning appears and I click on the yes. So now py is the extension to Python text editors, and you see here the symbol, the Python symbol appears on the file. Now I can open the Python IDLE by coming over here. This is Python idle, and I click on it to open the shell. This is Python shell. I set the window over this position, and now I can open the file to link that with Python shell through two different ways. One, to click on the file on Python shell and come over here to click open. If I click new, it will open a new editor file, and I can give that file a name, and then therefore automatically be linked with idle shell. But I don't go that way. I just want to open the file I have already saved at this position. So I click on control open and then give the path where I have saved the file. So I go through. Now this is by default the C folder, and I come to where I have saved the file, but that's quite lengthy. I come over here and I open this, and then I come to this file, and this is my file. So if I click this file now and either double click or click and then or select and then open, it will open the file. That is one way to open text editor and link that with idle shell. The other way is also very easy. I right click on the file and then come here to open this with edit with idle. So I click on idle and the file is open, and there is the idle shell. So I drag this to this side, that both the windows are side by side. Now I create a file. I write my program here, and the first thing I need to put three single quotes, and I add the comment. This is my first editor code for Python. So this is my comment, and then in the next line I add print, and the print add code have you see here the color of the print command, and all the text I have put inside this argument are green. That means it is a comment, and that happens because I haven't closed the comment. So in order to close the comment, I need to put three single quotes at this position too. And now you see the color of the print command has changed. Then I write here something else. I add print, and then 2 plus 3. I add another command, print 2 double static 3. That is, I take the power of 2. I can define variables like y equals 8 and x equals 3. Then I ask print y divided by x, and similarly I can construct a list age equals 32, 35, 43, and 54. Then again I add print age. Now this is a code that I have written in a text editor. In order to run this in the idle shell, what I need to do, I first need to save my code by pressing Ctrl S button simultaneously on my keyboard and then come to run. Either clicking on run, either I need to click run module or I can press the F5 button on my keyboard. Both way, if there is no errors in the code, it will be run in the Python shell. And you see here what has given here. Have you subscribed to Safi Mix? It is this message which I asked to print, and it is given over here. Then I had asked the Python to print 2 plus 3. It is given as 5 over here, and similarly 2 power 3 is 8. It is written over here. Then I ask Python to divide y over x. This is the result, y over x. And then I ask Python to print the age list, and the list is written over here. Now I can edit this file by adding certain other things, like I add 3 mod 2, and now I want to run this program once more. So what I need to do, first I need to save this and then come back to run and run module. And you see now the new changes that I made to my code in the text editor is also evaluated in the interpreter, which is we know that 3 mod 2 equals 1. So this way you can write your program in a text file which you can save, you can edit, and you can rerun anytime at your own will. And this is a good way to save your file. Now to exit the Python idle shell, I need to write exit and then put the parentheses and I press enter. Or your program is still running. Do you want to kill it? I click OK. It is closed, and here I can come to this, and I can close the window or exit idle control Q. So it will close the program. At the end, thanks for watching.